All right, happy Friday, guys. We are going to wrap up a couple of things, but I do have quite a few announcements just to remind you. Your reading objective benchmark that I assigned on Tuesday needs to be completed by today. Remember, you go to your Northside portal and you click on the little CMS or SchoolNet icon. The directions for how to access this are on Tuesday's folder, so that way you can type in the correct password. We are going to talk about our class competition in just a second. Um, and I want to make sure we go through your assignment for today. So yesterday we read the story Lather and Nothing Else, and I posted these notes in your attendance question slash task for the day. And we talked about what makes a complex character. Specifically within the story, we talked about the barber and how the barber has all of these different attributes and what makes him complex, right? And we talked about Captain Torres being, the ruler because he can be cruel and he's motivated by power. So for today, we're going to focus on just one scene from this story, and it is a daily grade, and it is what you're going to do to earn your attendance credit. So there are only 3 questions. There's only a few paragraphs. It's not even a full more than 1 page, including the questions. So what I've done for you is pulled an isolated scene, and it's about the middle of the story. But you're going to read through this again, okay? And then you're going to answer these 3 questions at the bottom. What is the moral dilemma in this part of the story? What is the barber struggling with? And what theme or message does the story teach us? What do we learn at the end as a result of this whole situation? And then how does this scene in particular, right, the one that you're reading in these 3 paragraphs, how does it contribute to the theme that you would have mentioned in number 2? So I don't need text evidence at all. I just need your responses using complete sentences. And then again, you're only focusing really on these 3 paragraphs from the story. Okay? Now, for your class competition, if you choose to participate, you'll need to watch the video that says class competition. There is a time limit. It must be completed today by midnight. So today is Friday the 12th. And if you would like to enter, you'll watch the video. You'll number your paper or your Google Doc 1 through 20. And your goal is to use the archetypes resource that I gave you yesterday and on Wednesday. It's the 10 most common archetypes in film and literature, and use those 10 to answer the examples I gave you. Okay, I gave you a bunch of characters and their images, and you only have until midnight. So winners will be announced. I will ask for your mailing address, and you'll get some fun goodies in the mail. All right, stay safe, stay warm this weekend. Remember, Monday is a holiday for you. You don't have school, you don't have any assignments or Zoom meetings. On Tuesday, I will not be on campus, and so you will not have a Zoom meeting, but you will have an assignment in Schoology that you'll need to check. And your attendance is solely dependent upon the question that I ask you on Tuesday. Remember, I won't be on Zoom. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.